Hello friends, in my previous video we have understood the concept of chapter 1, that is number sense. We have practiced few questions from the topics like number names, comparison of numbers, numbers on abacus, ascending and descending order, forming numbers with or without repetition of digits. Now there are exercise. We will do exercise. I will give you 10 seconds for each question. You try to solve that question in the given 10 seconds, and after that I will explain the concept as well as will solve the question. All right, so you read this question 1 and try to solve that in the given 10 seconds, and your time starts now. So question 1 says, which of the following abacus shows the smallest number? Smallest number you have to find, right? So in the option 1, there are two ways of doing this. So what we can do is, there are two ways of doing this. Option 1, we can write all the numbers, okay, in the given A, B, C, D on the abacus, and then compare it and say which is the smallest number. Let's do this first, and then I will tell you that how quickly with one trick you can solve this question. Okay, so let's start with the option 1. What is the number given here? As many, I have told you in the practice video that as many figures are given at the place, you need to write that. So at the thousand place, how many figures are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thousand place, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Thousand place, 5. 100 place, 1, 2, 3. So 3. Tens place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. And ones place, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So this is the number in given option A, right? Now option B. Likewise, 4 places. How many figures are there? 2. So 2. Then 0. There is nothing here, right? There is nothing here. So 0. Then at tens place, it is 3. 1, 2, 3. At ones place, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. Likewise, in option C, 4 places. So 1, 2, 3. 3 at the thousand place, 1 at the hundreds place, 4 at the tens place, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 at the ones place. Likewise, option D, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 at the thousand place, then 1 and 2 at the hundred place, 1, 2, 3, 4 at the tens place, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 at the ones place. Now compare these numbers, and for comparison I have told you to start with the thousand place digit 5, 2, 3, 6. You have to find the smallest number. Which is the smallest among this? Which is the smallest among these given thousand place digit? Very obvious, 2. So option B is your answer. Option B is your answer. Now this is one way of doing it. The other way, simple and quick way of doing it is, there are figures given on the abacus here. What you have to do is simply you have to start comparing from here itself directly. Thousand place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thousand place 1, 2. Thousand place 1, 2, 3. Thousand place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to find the smallest number. 2 is the smallest here. B should be the answer. You don't really need to write all these numbers here and then compare. You can start comparing here from here itself. But if you are facing any problem, if you are struggling to understand this, let's write the numbers and then compare. You get enough time in the exam to do that. But this is the easiest way to do it. Likewise, in the same question, if it is asked to find the largest number, here you have the smallest number, largest number. What you will do? Compare thousand place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is the largest number at the thousand place. Then D will be your answer for largest one. For smallest, 2 is smallest here. So 2 will be your answer. Alright, let's move on to the next question. You read this question and try to, question number 2, you try to solve this question in 10 seconds and your time starts now. Okay. Rohit's house number has 3 at hundreds place, which could not be his house number. Very simple. 3 at hundreds place. Let's find out the numbers which is having 3 at hundreds place. Ones, tens and hundreds. 3 is at hundred place. So this could be a number, and be very mindful. Could not be, right? So this could be a number. Now, ones, tens, hundreds. Here also 3 is at hundred place. So this could also be a number. Ones, tens, hundred. This could also be number because 3 is at hundreds place. Now 1, tens, hundreds. At hundred is 2. It means that 3 is not at hundred place. So this could not be his house number. Simple, right? Okay. So next question is expanded form of the number 6079. You read this question, try to solve in 10 seconds, and your time starts now. Alright, so given number is 6079. I have explained you in the practice video. You can refer to that video. Let's start with the thousand players. Thousands place 6 into 1000 because 6 is at the thousand place. Okay, 6 is at thousand place. You know that, right? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 6 is at thousand place, so 6 multiplied by thousand. 0 is at hundred place. 0 multiplied by hundred, that is 0. 7 is at tens place. 7 multiplied by 10 is equal to 70. And 9 is at ones place. 9 multiplied by. This would be your expanded form. That is 6000 plus 0 does not, it does not matter. So whether you write it 6000 plus 0 plus 70 or you don't write it, 6000 plus 70 plus 9. Where is the option? 6000 plus 70 plus 9. Alright, let's move on to the next question. Question number 4. Try to solve this and your time starts now. Alright, let's solve this question. 8323 in numeral form is written as. So this is 1000, right? So it means that there will be 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8000. You know, ones, tens, hundreds, and thousand. So 8000, write 8 here. 300, write 300. 23, 20 means 2 multiplied by 10, 20. And then 3, 3 is the numeral. 8323, this is your answer. Alright, you solve the second question. The smallest even number formed by using the digits 0 to 7, 8. You solve this question and your time starts now. Given digits are 0, 2, 7 and 8, right? So 4 digit number, give 4 places. What do you have to find? The smallest even number formed by using the digits 0 to 7, 8 without repeating the digits. Even number, right? So it means that what are even number? Number having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at its ones place are even numbers, right? Are even numbers. 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So you have to form the smallest even number. It means that 0 should be at the ones place, because between 0 and 2, this is the smallest, right? And then 0 is gone. Now you have 2, 7, 8. So among 2, 7, 8, you have to find the smallest number, right? So you have to form the smallest number. So the smallest digit is 2. We'll start with 2, right? Between 7 and 2 is gone. Between 7 and 8, smallest number is 7, and then 8. So 2780. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Oh, sorry, my mistake. So here 0278, right? So what you have to do is four digit, and then you have to form the smallest number, right? 0 is there, you cannot start with 0, otherwise it will become 3-digit number. So 2, right? After that, so 0278, 2 you have used, you should use a 0, and then 78, right? Smallest number between 7 and 8, 7 is a digit, 8 is another digit. So now you have at the ones place 02468. It means this is even number, and this is the smallest number because it starts with the smallest digit. I did not notice 8 here, so that's the reason this was a mistake. Be very mindful. Okay, when you have to form the even number, 02468 should be at the ones place. Let's move on to the next question. You try to solve this question. All right, your time starts now. All right, 7,989 is same as, it means 1000. So 4 places. 7,000. So at the 1000 place 7, 900, 9, 89, 80. 8 multiplied by 10, 80. It means 8 is at tens place, and 9. 9 is at ones place. So 7989. Right? It becomes so simple. This is the expanded form. This is the short form. Expanded form, you give the positions and solve it. Put the number given there, you will get the, put the digit given there, and you will get the number. Okay, you solve the next question. Fine. The given question is the greatest 3-digit number. Greatest, and it should be 3-digit number that can be formed using digits 9 to 5, 6. There are 4 digits given, but you have to form a 3-digit number which is the greatest. If all the digits are different, it means repetition is not allowed. So 3-digit numbers, 3 place, you have to form the greatest number. So among 9 2 5 6, greatest is 9, right? Digit given are 9 2 5 6. 9 is used. 2 5 6, which is greatest? 6. 6 is used. And among 2 and 5, which is the greatest? 5. So 5. This would be greatest 3-digit numbers. It is not asking you to form 4-digit number. It is asking you to form 3-digit number. So 965 is the answer. All right, you solve the next question. Which of the following options are arranged in descending order? You remember descending order means from largest, biggest to smallest, right? Smallest. Just keep that picture in mind if you have any questions, confusion, which I have captured in the practice set. Descending order, it means that it should be from largest to smallest. Descending, it should be descending, coming down from, it means that largest to smallest. So which of the following options are arranged in descending order? A, B, C, D, descending order. So 1000 place comparison, 2, 2, 2, 2, that's all right. 3, 0, 3, no. So 2, 3, 6, 9. If it is uh, arranged in the descending order, then 100 place is 0. But here if you compare, 3 is bigger than 0. So it is not decreasing. 0 and 3. If you compare, 3 is not decreasing. So this option is ruled out. Compare digits in option B. 2 at all 1000 place, that is all right. 3, 3, 0, 6. Again here at 100 place, here is 0. It has increased 6. So this is also ruled out. 2, 2, 2, 2 at 1000 place, that is all right. Then descending order means bigger to smaller. Here 0 and 3. It means that it is increasing, not decreasing. The 100 place, 0 and 3, if you compare, it should decrease because it is descending order. So this is also ruled out. It means this will be the option. Okay, so here I explained you that B option D is the answer. Uh, we have checked option A, B, C, all are ruled out. Let me write it down here for your easy understanding. 2630, 2369, 2309, 2069. Right? So descending means bigger to smaller. 222 at the 1000 place all same. 6330, it means same or equal. Here 2630 and 2369. This is smaller. This is correct. And then 2309, which is smaller than 2369. And then let's compare these two hundreds place. This is 3 and this is 0. When you compare these two, this number is smaller. It means the biggest number, the largest number is 2600, then 2369, 2309, and 2069. So this is the only option which is there in the descending order, largest to smallest. So option D is your answer. You solve next question, that is question number 9. Alright, so question is, which of the following digits is at ones place of the smallest 4-digit number that can be formed from the given digits 3, 8, 7, 5, smallest 4-digit number. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, the smallest, it means start with the smallest digit. 3 is gone, then 5, 5 is strike off, then 7, and then 8. Now the new number is 3578. Question is, which of the following digits at the tens place of this new number? So tens place, it is 7. 7 is your answer. Alright, you solve question number 10. Question number 10 is 6 hundreds and 4 tens, means 6 hundreds equal to 600 and 4 tens. 4 into 10 is equal to 40. It means that 640 is having dash hundreds and 14 tens. 14 tens means 14 into 10, that is 140. Let's subtract this 140 from this number to find out how many hundreds are there. 140. 0, 0, 5. So 500. It means how many hundreds are there? It is having 5 hundreds. 5. 5 hundreds. Your answer is 5.